Hey guys, so finally Asus has released a stable official update for Android 10, and I will just focus on an initial overview because I have just updated it today. I can't post a review right now. So firstly, the build number, as you can see in about phone, Android version 10, as you can see it's build number 424, and initially the impressions would be there is no styles and wallpapers option on the home screen, just wallpapers. So to access styles and wallpapers you would need to go to system and developer options, and in the bottom you can change the accent color, the font and the icon shape, and that's usually available on any Android 10 ROMs. Another problem is that there is no Google page on your home screen. At sometimes it will appear and sometimes it will disappear. I don't know, it's a bug. And another thing is the audio quality. Audio quality is really low. The clarity and everything is low. For example, let's see.
She bought it 7 years ago
on
clearance.
On full sound, it actually cracks.
All that matters
is sound is really low.
Valorant invite and you are ready to tear up the battlefield.
After you change the display size, I'll show you. Sorry. Suppose you change the display size to small and you check applications like WhatsApp. As you can see, there is a huge black bar between the navigation bar and the app, and they have not fixed it. It's from the beta update itself. Another problem, you can't change this Google search bar. You can't move it or remove it or anything, and that's that. And dark mode is actually working, and as you can see, without dark mode it would be so see, now the Google page is working. It's actually buggy. It works sometime, it doesn't work other times. I don't know why. Now talking about PUBG, I see there are network problems, and there is no HD option in graphics in the graphics section. As you can see, sometimes it shows this unable to connect to server, please try a different network, and sometimes it says a request timed out and some stuff. It's after the Android 10 update I started getting this. As you can see this. So if you get into settings and graphics, as you can see it's stuck with smooth and medium, and that's a bug they have not fixed yet. I don't know why Asus took this much time to build a stable update. No, actually they said it's a stable update. They are building a stable update. It took them 4 months. I don't know. They have not made any huge change. At least the fingerprint is working, and that's the only thing I have noticed differently actually. So guys, another thing which is actually improved in this update is the fingerprint scanner. It's actually pretty fast compared to the Android 9, and yeah, that's that.